Welcome to my channel. This strategy I'm going to teach right now works with all the market movements. Is this type of strategy that works all time. Market movement doesn't affect it. When market is ranging or not trending, doesn't really affect it. So do well and subscribe to my channel because I will keep explaining this strategy every day because I do analysis every morning. So let's go to the charts and let me start explaining this strategy to you guys. So this is what I'm looking at today. When I was doing my analysis yesterday, gold were somewhere here. I think around 7 a.m. this particular candle, and I told you guys that we could take out this low and retest. We should look for a buy, which played out very well, but gold retest back and dropped. So this trade moved over 1 to 2, as you can see. Entry point here, stop somewhere there, and back to drop over 1 to 2. So this analysis played out yesterday. I don't know if you guys took the trade. And the level that I was expecting gold to come to, still didn't get to it. I was expecting gold to come to this zone for me to look for buy, but still didn't get to it. But this zone, this is previous daily. This is previous daily resistance turned to support, so that's what pulled this gold back. I was expecting to come to this current one, but it respected this previous one. It broke it, resistance turned to support, then see the massive push up. Because I know that we are seeing uptrend. Even this sell, it dropped up to 1 to 2, but if someone wanted to host, okay, you are looking for 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, would have be something else. But it is what it is. 1 to 2, it played out. My joy is that if you're even looking for only 1 to 2, this strategy was more than 50% win rate. So even if you are taking 1 to 2, you are still good to go. You will still be in profit. And if you are taking 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, that will be massive because you'll be massive profit. So this is what I'm looking at today. Right now, gold broke this. Gold did a change of character here yesterday night. And I took this trade at night. It's like 9 as in around 9 as 9 p.m. Like it's remaining like an hour for market to close, or 10, yeah, when I took this trade here. And I don't really believe that I will see this move at midnight. So I took the trade here, and when it got to here, I made like 1 to 4 because I didn't use this as my entry point. I used a smaller time frame to enter it. So my stop loss was like 30 pips. Yeah, my stop loss was 30 pips, and I got more than 1 to 4 from this trade. Because from this, my entry was here, and to here, it moved like 233 pips. So, and what I risk is only 30 pips. So see risk the risk reward is much because I use smaller time frame, because I checked if I enter this trade here and put my stop loss here, it will be 163 pips. That's much, so there's no way I can do it. When will I get 1 to 2? So it will be much. So I went down to the smaller time frame and got an entry that the stop loss was 30 pips, and I got like 1 to 4 plus from here. So this is what I'm looking at this morning. If gold break his this is already as in breaking it, but this can't have not closed and come back to this bullish engulfing, it's good to look for a buy. Let your stop be here. Then your stop will be like 20 pips. It will be this. If gold break this 1 hour time frame, come back to here, buy, and your stop will be here like 20 pips. But the reason why I don't believe that even if this thing break, that this might hold is because of here. If you look at 4 hours time frame, there's bullish engulfing here. And like this zone here, market just broke it. I've not respected here. So I believe that this market will come back to here before we can see this up move again. So if if you want to take this trade, risk small amount of money. Just have it in mind that this trade might fail. Yeah, it might not fail, I don't know, but I'm not taking it. And if I'm taking it, I'll risk that amount of money that I know that if I lose it, it's nothing to me. Just as I will take it as if I want to experiment. Can never put the full amount of money I want, my full amount I used to risk here. No. If I'm taking it, it's just that impatience, that's what is making me take it, or fear of missing out. That's why I'm taking it. Because I'm still suspecting that it will come back to here before we see another major move. So breaking here, retesting here, I don't know, but I'm just telling you what I feel like. I will never have a strong mind, or I can never put the full margin or the full amount of money I used to enter in a trade at this zone. No, because there is what is equal that 4 hours, there is bullish engulfing there. I'm expecting that this market will come back to, apart from the bullish engulfing, this zone and this zone. Still thinking that will come back to retest it. So what I will do is, if market come back to here, then I would like to see this pattern. Then if you see this pattern, take a buy from here. And if you take a buy from here, target 1 to 4, it will play out, because whatever make gold respect here, definitely we are taking out this all-time high. We are taking out this all-time high. So target 1 to 4. And make sure that your stop loss will not be that. If your stop loss is much, like over 100 pips, just go to smaller time frame to pick an entry that your stop loss will reduce. But target 1 to 4. It will give you 1 to 4. Definitely it will give you the 1 to 4. So this is the setup I will look for when gold come back to this zone. I will look for this pattern to take this buy. And as I said before, uh gold might respect here and buy, but I'm not really taking it because I don't have confidence in it. That's why I'm not taking it. I'm looking at here. So here might hold, but I don't really have confidence in it to take it. So that's me. But you can try, risk small amount of money here. Then let's see what will happen. Then if you hear fail, then wait for the major move from here. Make market come back here. Just wait to see this pattern. Then enter your full margin here, the full amount of money used to risk, and let's target 1 to 4. So you must definitely give us 1 to 4 from here. And for a sell, gold is in uptrend. So any sell confirmation here, I don't know how it will look like. Like the one that happened here, it played out, yes, but it somehow narrow escape. Yes, it give us 1 to 2, but see what happened next now. So any sell confirmation here, I don't know how it will look like, but it can still play out. Let me give you what I will look at for to sell. If gold close below above here, then drop, you already know that it has done change of character, which is shift of structure. Then come back to here. I will look for a sell here. Then if you see this confirmation, you can also take the sell, then target this zone. Immediately you get to here, close it. Or move your stop to entry point and wait and see whether it will continue dropping or whether it will reject. So I guess this is the sell setup I will look at for to take a sell. Or if you also see something like this, then maybe market drop, but definitely what I don't know how this candle will close. That's why I'm doing this. I'm not that's why I'm doing this uh scenario. Because if this candle reject, it didn't close, it didn't break here, there is no way to do shift of structure again. So if you see this pattern, you can also take it. It's not like here, higher high and lower low and higher low. If market take out the lower low, come back to retest the previous lower low, which is here, then sell. Let me do this in a bigger way so it can be clear. Something like this. Then take a sell from here. You can see that higher high and